Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to circuit simulation using Simscape in Simulink environment. Let's continue our course. We are still in module 2. In this lesson, we will discuss one of the RC circuit application, which is flashing bulb. Let's see the experiment about flashing bulb in this website, PHET. Okay, we need to see light bulb. Okay, here the capacitor is empty because the the DC voltage is 0. When DC voltage increase up to 1.5, the capacitor is charging. When you move this switch to this point, the lamp start to flash. This is exactly what we are going to do in Matlab Simulink. Let's go back to our slides. As I said, our lesson today is about application of RC circuits. I expect by the end of this video, you should be able to simulate a flashing bulb and analyze its behavior. Okay, here is one of our application we are going to discuss today. This circuit is capacitive relaxation oscillator with neon lamp, which is threshold device. Because of neon lamp threshold, the circuit provides a flashing or a flash of light with each discharge cycle of the capacitor. Let's read this point. The voltage source charge the capacitor as usual until the capacitor is 80 volt. That means 80% of V in. The capacitor discharge through lamp and producing bright flash. The capacitor after discharge begins to charge again and the process repeats. Okay, now we need to calculate the time interval between flashes. Mathematically, by using these formulas related to discharge process of capacitor, we find that the constant time tau equal R plus small r multiplied by C, and this parameter from here, this is small r and this is R, and this the value of C. They found that tau equal 5.05 seconds. Also, we can solve the voltage equation of the time it takes the capacitor to reach 80 volt. When capacitor reach 80 volt, the light is going to flash. From this formula, and by putting all value of these variable, you can find that the T equal 8.13. T is the time that the capacitor needed to reach 80 voltage. Let's see this result in Matlab Simulink, and let's build our project, which is about flashing bulb. Let's go. I'm going to take the previous one and just edit it. My courses. Okay. Here's our circuit. We are not going to start from the beginning and add component. The only thing is new here. I'm going to remove it. Just Let's do this together. We need a switch. Also, we need lamp to see the output. Okay. Double click on the lamp and 0, green, choose 1, red. This is the two status of the lamp, 0 and 1. That means the lamp needs 0 and 1 signal just in order to work. This is 1 and this must be 0. Okay. Okay. What about this value? This value should be 80 volt. That means 80% of the input voltage. 80 volt. To make this switch work, the value should be 80 volt or more. After that, let's connect the scope here and let's connect our lamp into the output of the switch. Press here and press connect. Choose the device. Yeah, we're gonna put or connect our lamp with the switch. That is all. Okay, you can double click and choose the icon. A smiley one, for example. Apply. To see the value, yeah, 100. Properties. I need to see the voltage value and the unit of the value. Just V0 and the unit of the source. Okay, as you can see, it's appear. Also, if I want to see the value of the resistor, just choose R and the unit, which R is here, and the unit. Okay, apply and so on. Check this also. It is 50. Yeah. Make sure there is no initial value. Yeah. Okay. Then, yeah, that's all. Let's run a simulation and see the simulation. Okay. We choose the red color for on and the green one for off. Let's see our result from this simulation. You can find that the value of the switch means the output of the switch is 1 at 8.128, approximately 8.1 or 8.13, 8.13. It is very near to the value that we get it from calculation. So this is all for today's lecture. See you in the next lectures. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful for you, please don't miss out. Subscribe to stay in the loop.